Hello students, in the last video we have discussed till the topic user defined functions, and today we are going to start part 3 of chapter number 1. Statements. There are 3 types of statements in Python: sequential, iterative and selection. Sequential statements are those statements which are executed in a sequence from top to bottom. For example, if we want to find the area of the circle, then first we will take a variable r in which we will take the value of radius of a circle from the user of integer type using the input function. Then in the next statement we will take a variable a which stores the area of the circle, that is 3.14 into r. And the next statement is the print statement which displays the output on the screen. Area of circle is, here is written 2 times, it will come 1 time, then a, that is the value stored in this a. Now iterative statements. Iterative statement, iteration means repetition, means the statements that are executed again and again based on some condition. For example, n equals to int input, enter a number. We have taken a number from the user which is stored in the variable n. Now the for loop has started for I in range 1 to n plus 1. As we all know that the range function takes one value less than the last number. So if the user gives the input as number 10, so the loop will go from 1 to 10. Although here 10 plus 1 is 11, so 1 to 11 means 11 will be taken 1 less. Here it will go till 10 and it will print the numbers 1 to 10 in separate lines. So here the statement is executing again and again. This print statement will execute again and again because here we have specified a for loop. So this comes under the iterative statement. Next is the selection statement. These are the statements that are executed based on certain conditions. That is why its name is selection, means the output is selected based on a condition. First we have taken a variable age in which we have taken the value from the user. If the user gives the value greater than or equal to 18, then this print statement you can vote will be displayed. Otherwise, not eligible statement will be displayed. Next topic is strings. A string is a collection of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. All the elements of the string are accessible by indexing 0, 1, 2, 3. If you start from the right side, it will be -1, -2, -3 and moving on till the last number. The strings are immutable, that is, no changes can be made in it. Now some operations on string that can be done are: the first is concatenation, and it is represented by the plus operator. It joins two strings. For example, we have a variable a which stores a string good. We have a variable b which stores the string buy. Now if we give the statement print a plus b, the output will come like this. Both the strings are joined together. Next is repetition. It is represented by the symbol star. It is used to repeat a particular string the number of times. Here we have a variable a which stores a string hello, and if we give the print statement 3 into a, then the output will be 3 times hello with no space between them. Next is the membership operator in and not in. If the particular character is there in the particular string, then it will give the value as true, and if it is not there, then it will give the output as false. In this case we have to take care of the case sensitive part. Here a is a variable which stores a string good, and if we say g in a, here capital G is present in a, so the output is true. But if we say g not in a, the g is there in a, so this becomes false. Here we have changed capital G to small g, and here you have written small g not in a. It is small g is not in the variable a, so here it will return the value as true. So we have learned 3 operations on string. First is concatenation, used for joining the two strings. Second is repetition, used to repeat the string number of times. And third is membership operator, in and not in, which will give the value as or the output as true or false based on whether the given character is there in the string or not there. Next is some built-in functions of string. First is the length function, which is used to calculate the length of the string. Capitalize function is used to make the first letter capital. Is lower is used to check whether the string is lowercase or not. Is upper is used to check whether the string is uppercase or not. Here lowercase refers to the small letters and uppercase refers to the capital letters. And swap case function is used to change lowercase to uppercase and vice versa. For example, here I have written G-O-O-D. G is capital, rest all letters are small. If we use swap case function in this, then G will become small and rest all letters will become capital. There are many more functions of the string. Now let us do a program based on the string. There is a program to input a string and count the number of uppercase and lowercase letters. So first of all, we need to take a string from the user. S equals to input enter string. Whatever the string user will enter, it will be stored in the variable S. Here we have taken a variable U, that is initially its value is 0 for the uppercase letter. Then L is for the lowercase letter, initially its value is also 0. And I is for 0 to go one letter to letter or character to character in the whole string. Then another variable Q is been taken, which will calculate the length of the string and store it in Q. Now we start with the for loop for I in range 0 to Q. Q stores the length of the string. So it will start from 0 till 1 less than the total length of the string. If si dot is lower equals to true. As we have learned here that is lower is used to check whether the string or the character at that place is lowercase or not. If it is true, then I will become I plus 1. Here I will be small. And if si dot is upper equals to true, u will become u plus 1 and I will become I plus 1. Here it is L, not I. This is L. L is equal to L plus 1. That is L is initially 0. That is the lowercase letters are initially set to 0. It will become 1. So now at last it will print uppercase letters are U and lowercase letters are L. It will count the total number of uppercase letters and lowercase letters and print them in the separate lines. For example, we have taken here a string A, B, C, D. The two A's are capital and B, C, D are small letters. So in this case, the output will be uppercase letters are 2. These two are uppercase letters and lowercase letters are 3. B, C, D. These are 3. Next comes the topic list. A list is a sequence of elements of same or different type enclosed in square brackets. And a list is mutable, that is we can make changes in a list. A list can be written like this: L equals to 10, 20, 30, A cow. So we have here integer type data also and character or string type data enclosed in the square brackets. Like strings, there are some built-in methods of list also. Let us learn them one by one. Append. This method is used to add an element at the end of a list. Extend. It is used to add a list to the another list. Pop. It is used to delete last element if the index is not provided. Otherwise, it deletes the element at the given position. If any position is given in the parenthesis, then it will delete the element at that given position. If not given, then it will delete the last element. Del. It removes the value at that position but doesn't show the deleted value as in pop function. Remove function. It deletes the specified element. Whatever the element is specified here in the parenthesis, that element will be deleted from the list. Sort. This function is used to arrange the elements in the ascending order. Reverse. This function is used to arrange the elements in the descending order. Find length of the list will not come in descending order, it will arrange. Insert position value. So this is basically the syntax: first position comes and then the value. It will insert the value at the given position. It is wrongly typed here. Find the length of the list. It will arrange the element in the descending order. Reverse function. Length function. It is used to find the length of the list. Then dictionary. Dictionary is a mapping between a set of keys and a set of values. Every key has a particular value and the elements are enclosed in the curly braces like this. D is the name of the dictionary and it consists of, you can say elements or you can say key value pairs. This is the key 1 and this is the value 1. First key is 1 and the value of the first key is January. Similarly, second key is 2 and the value of second key is Feb. Some of the methods of dictionary are len to find total key value pairs, clear to clear all the elements or key value pairs, get. This function displays the value of the specified key. Whatever key we will provide in the parenthesis, the value of that key will be shown by the get function. Has key. There is an underscore between has and key. It checks whether the specified key is there or not. Whatever key is specified in the parenthesis, it will show whether the specified key is there or not. Then items, it shows us all the key value pairs. Keys function, it shows the names of all the keys, and values function shows the value of all the keys. Then we have tuples. Tuple is a collection of same or different types of elements enclosed in parentheses, that is the brackets. The tuples are immutable, that is changes cannot be made in the tuples. There is a variable t is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. It means this is a tuple. And if we want to store a single value in a tuple, then we have to put a comma after the first element. Otherwise, it will not be considered as a tuple. Some of the tuple functions are CMP compare, length, max, min, and tuple. This function is used to create a tuple using this function. With this, our chapter number 1 is completed. I hope you have understood it.